All right, guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to join our classroom on typing.com. So what you'll do is you will click the assignment, you'll go to the instructions. Once you've watched the parts of a computer video and you've done the quizzes game, then you're going to join our class. So you click join a class and it'll take you right to our page. All I need for you to do, it says you're joining Emily Thompson's 8th grade class, is go down to the bottom and click sign in with Google. You're going to choose your account, so use another account, log into your Google, and then it will start you in. Now I've already done part of it. So the first thing I want you to do is up here, click tests, and I want you to take the 1-minute typing test. Okay, it'll pop up with a text. You just start typing for a minute, then it'll give you your words per minute and your accuracy. I just need to see where we are. Once you finish with that, go back and go to lessons, and I want you to start with the very first lesson at the beginner. If you're beyond a beginner, then you can move forward, but that's where you're going to start today just to see where we are. All right, if you have any questions and you've been absent, come see me, no big deal, and go ahead and get started.